Welcome to the race in between Scott Cawthon, Warden, Owl, and Mad Scientist. The best game of all is FNAF. The second best game is Warden. Third game is Owl. Minecraft, yeah. And fourth, this isn't even a game, so frick you. You aren't even a game, but you look pretty cute. So yeah, and you blink, and I like to rub your belly. Rub, rub, rub. Alright, and y'all will be running from... What? Wait, what? What? Guys, bye-bye. The race starts in 3, 2, 1. When everybody starts running, the shredder turns on. View, view. Zen, 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 zen. Born, born, born. Brand, din, 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 din. One, din, 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 din. Na, 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 na. Dun, 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 dun.
How to import mods to Melon Playground.
Bruh, trash is added. Alright. Dun. To let y'all get a head start. Owlie can fly, so he can get quick, pretty far. Y'all aren't even walking. Look, dumbheads. Do y'all want to die? Wardens are quick, so Warden's just gonna go in the front. You mad scientists, you suck. Did the owl die? No. We need to perform CPR. There you go. Run, little guy, run. Pretty hard. Back foot. Head start has just ended. Get out of here. First human has just been shredded, which means another head start. Zing, zing, zing. Somebody has just been put inside the shredder. Head start is about to end. Help me! I'm faster. I shall get the trophy. Actually, I shall go in the portal. The portal is the exit. If you get to the portal, you can escape. But move, you dumb car. I just throw out the human. Move, you dumb car. I said move, buddy. I want it move. Oh yeah, Head Start has just ended. Dun, 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 dun. Looks like the dead body will save y'all. Oops, not anymore. Especially that bone. Run, you stupid bird. I'm not stupid. Ow! Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Chainsaw has got its second victim. Victim is being put into tractor. And victim needs to be burned alive too. There you go. Put him in. Alright. Help! Tractor timer has just ended. Oh look, a skeleton piece was thrown at it. Move, you dumb tractor. Looks like the bird is mine won't get oofed. They gotta go quick. Oh yeah, that was such a short head start. I'll just pause the... Oh, wait, that was a mistake. Why did I do that? Well, I'll just capture y'all instead. I don't want to hurt y'all. But I did want to hurt that warden and that cursed creature. That was, well, that cursed scientist. Then, psych, why would I ever spare you? Wait, what? I would like to spare both of y'all, but sorry, I still need the chainsaw for the game. You signed up for it. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Gun 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 gun. Dun 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 dun. Why isn't the car moving? Ching ching chicka 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 down 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 down. Booster, boost me. Push. Ah. Quickly, get in. Dun 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 dun. And they went in the portal. Zen. And if you're wondering where the person who was driving the tractor went, oh, don't worry. He just he also teleports away because we don't want him to drown to death. He was one of our helpers. Part 2 coming soon. Psych, it's coming today. I'm just joking. It's gonna come soon, and it's gonna be about, let's say, maybe about car crashing or maybe an airplane race. Maybe they get a weekend to rest. Because today, on the day it is right now, on my day, right, like this day I made the video, it was weekend. So yeah.
It was a half day today.
Oh yeah, half day.
Tomorrow there's no school because of
Tomorrow no school. Yeah, bam, bam, chicka chicka chicka. Tit, tit, tit. Then chicka 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 down down. Anyways, I'll explain to you who the characters were in this. It's like, no, I'm not. You probably already know them.
hopefully you already know.
Yeah, hopefully. But my brother just now.
I'm just helping you, okay?
Yeah. Part 2 coming soon. Part 2 coming soon. Say hello to